In this video we are going to talk about how to make money online without investment in 2021. So before starting this video, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. In this 21st century, everyone wants to make money online while working at their desk or from their home computer. Furthermore, earning money online is something that teenagers are interested in doing. Finding a simple way to make money online without having to make a significant financial investment, on the other hand, is a challenging task. Occasionally, bogus agencies that operate online can deceive unsuspecting clients into paying their fees. Nonetheless, there are tried-and-true methods of making money online that do not require any type of financial commitment on your part. Number 10. Subscribe a food delivery service. By utilizing this service, you will not have the opportunity to make money, but you will have the opportunity to save money. The organization delivered a food box every week, which contained fresh produce, fresh fruits, and unusual cuts of meat. In the event that you don't have enough time to go shopping, but still want to eat a delicious meal, this recipe will be beneficial to you. Furthermore, a wide range of pricing options are available for the services provided. Number 9. Make online money from YouTube. It is undeniable that people are making millions of dollars from YouTube. It is not a simple task, but it is doable for those who are capable of recording and uploading videos on their computers. People who are successful in launching YouTube channels can be divided into two categories, according to a general rule. First and foremost, there are those who are capable of producing amusing videos, and then there are those who are capable of producing instructional videos for students, homemakers, and others. You must be familiar with the tools that will be used in the video production process. Number 8. Make money from Facebook and Instagram. Because social media platforms such as Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook provide opportunities to earn additional income, they are well worth investigating. Furthermore, depending on where you live, you can earn anywhere between 10,000 and 20,000 rupees for each tweet or Facebook post that you make on your account. It is extremely advantageous for those in the entertainment industry who want to establish a reputation to have a large social media following. This domain will enable people who are associated with it to monetize their social media pages in a variety of ways on various social media platforms. Number 7. Start a product startup. The profit margins on this method are higher than those on other methods of conducting business online. If you don't try it out, you'll never know how a startup can assist you in your business development efforts. It is your responsibility to put in the time and effort necessary to create a product that customers will appreciate and use. Startup businesses are extremely rewarding to be involved in throughout the entire process. If you so desire, you can also assist others by providing them with loans or providing them with a credit limit if you so desire. Number 6. Make money by writing an ebook. Along with writing an ebook, you can make money online by selling your original artwork and other works. In some cases, the process of writing about a topic that interests you or about a hobby that you enjoy can be straightforward. It will also be advantageous if you make a contribution to a website that will purchase your book and compensate you for your time and efforts. It is possible to sell your book on the internet through Amazon's Kindle publishing service, which is free. They will charge a commission on each and every sale that they make. In that location, you can sell a large number of copies. Number 5. Earn money with affiliate marketing. Similar to running a retail store, managing an affiliate marketing business is very similar. The products that you find most appealing must be promoted via websites and social media apps in order for you to earn the appropriate amount of money. You must register with retailers such as Flipkart and Amazon in order to promote the products that you find most appealing. The fact that it can be used in conjunction with any online business distinguishes it as a distinct option. Individuals who do not have their own websites, but who do so in order to earn money through affiliate marketing are not without precedent. People can purchase the books that interest them by compiling a list of their favorite books and linking it to Flipkart. As an affiliate, you will earn a commission on each sale. Additional strategies include promoting affiliate links through Facebook groups and online forums to gain traction, which can be used to get started. Number 4. Become a consultant to make money online. Consultants can also make money online by selling their expertise to others and charging them a fee for the services they provide. If you want to be successful in this endeavor, you should have more experience than the students on your team. With this position, working from home while earning a respectable income is a viable option. In addition to your regular job, you can earn extra money by working as a content writing consultant to supplement your earnings. A person with strong core competitive skills who uses the internet to work as a consultant and find clients could make a good living. Establishing a website to attract clients is essential if you work in the finance industry or any other industry that relies on the internet to attract customers. Number 3, earn money by becoming a freelancer. In the event that you find yourself thinking about this question, if you have knowledge of programming, marketing, and design, you can make money online as a freelancer. In order to complete this work successfully, you must have the ability to be patient. In addition, 2 skills are required in order to be a successful freelancer: initiative and perseverance. A core skill is something you already have, and marketing knowledge and abilities are something you can add on top of that. If you are not familiar with marketing, you can enlist the help of a professional marketer to guide you through the process. In addition to your qualifications, you should have excellent communication skills if you want to attract more clients. Number 2, through content writing. If you are a talented writer who is also fluent in the grammar of the English language, you can make money online by creating content for the purpose of earning money online. Undoubtedly, the process of writing an article is time-consuming and requires extensive research and knowledge on the subject matter. This is a proven fact. Even though this work, on the other hand, requires no financial investment, it does require time and effort on the part of the participant. Writing sample articles will be your first step. After that, you will begin working by sending them to prospective customers. By submitting your work for consideration, you can also submit your writing to a website that will compensate you for your time and efforts. In order to make money online, you must first create an account and then begin writing articles. Number 1, start a blog to make money online. Earning money online, on the other hand, is a time-consuming endeavor that requires dedication and dedication. Among other things, you'll require web hosting, themes, and a domain name when you first start a blog, among other things. In today's world, it is possible to start a blog without spending even a single cent, which is unprecedented. It is one of the most effective methods of making money as an entrepreneur to franchise your business. Begin by writing on Medium and earning money from your efforts through the Medium Partner Program, which is available for free. Blogger and WordPress are both free blogging platforms that allow you to start a blog without paying anything. It's important to remember that in the world of blogging, money is almost always synonymous with traffic. You can also make money off the content you publish on your blog by selling products or participating in marketing campaigns, in addition to publishing it. However, despite the fact that it is a time-consuming process, it is one of the most effective methods of earning money online. What are your thoughts on our video? Please let us know what you think in the comments area below. If you enjoyed this video and would want to hear from me again, please subscribe and turn on the notification before leaving. Thank you for watching us.